So we've had this track bar kit since about a month after I bought the truck. So hopefully we can put them on today. Here we go. All right, so these track bars are made by Marco De Boer. He started up his own company, De Boer Fabrication, DB. Look him up on Instagram. We're gonna have to put his link in the description so you guys can find it. But this thing, this is his top end bar. It's a 6-foot bar, so it comes up farther on the frame. So it has more leverage movement up and down, but no forward and backwards. It's got greasable bushings on each end. Bushings are replaceable if you need to eventually. And they're non-adjustable, but that's okay, because they're really long. So let's put them on.
So this is our trusty Harbor Freight Drill Master brand grinder. Last night me and Chris were using it, and it kind of slowed down, heated up, and started smoking, and it's still not right. So we're gonna just plug it in and blow it up. You might be thinking, oh, don't buy it. But actually, we used this thing a lot this past year, and it was on sale for $12. So I don't think you can ask for much more.
For $12?
And we happen to have just bought another one, so it'll last us another year.
For $12, I'd say we got $30 worth of use out of it, because that thing cut every piece of metal used in that smart car to build it, plus started building the next smart car, and
Truck parts.
Yeah, like truck parts, like anything that has to be cut, we did with that for a whole year, using it probably at least 5 days a week. And I'd say, did we even use that thing for my old truck?
If there was an hour gauge on here, it'd probably have like 10 straight hours.
Yeah, like we even used that to build the move bumpers on my truck. Any grinding we had to do, we had a blade on there, and we were blending with that. So it did really good. And Mike's Ranger, cutting everything for the Ranger.
We connected an extension cord, ran it outside here. Hopefully it puts on a good smoke show, and hopefully something bad happens. Like that. It's smoking. It's still going. It's speeding up now. Oh, that smells bad. Oh, we caught on fire. It's done. Oh, that smells bad. Let it sit and see if it works again.
That reaction.
I don't know if the camera picked it up, but it went into flames at the last second.
Yep. It was very smelly too. It's still smoking. Should we try plug it back in again when it cools down?
I think so.
So I struggled with the other side. Now I can easily show you how to do this side properly. So this is the rear bracket. This bolts up on the U-bolts. I bought some U-bolt nuts from GM. They're OEM. And the 4 of them just go there on each bracket. It looks like Marco actually designed it, that you take those nuts off and you put this on and put the nuts back on. But to me, for $15, this is easier. And this is the way I thought we were supposed to do it. Anyways, once I get this on and secure, then I move forward with the ladder bar. So I bolt the ladder bar in. I put some cardboard down on the ground so we don't scratch her up too bad. Then I get some wood blocks, put it right up tight against the frame, mark out where we're gonna drill the holes, drill 3 holes in the frame, bolt it all together, and then at work sometime when we're up on the hoist, then I'm gonna put the last 2 in each front bracket that go straight up and down to keep the front bracket from moving anywhere at all. So let's do her. Okay. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Yep.
More?
Yep. We're forcing it up. See? Okay, let her down. Okay, let her down. Now I can tighten those up. I got the ratchet ready to go.
Josh, wait.
What?
I'm just making sure they're on.
All done. So now I'm putting the ladder bar into the rear bracket with this bolt, just loosely for now, so we can support it up and figure out where to drill the holes. Josh, how are you gonna get out of there? Who cares? I just managed to squeeze my fat stomach out underneath the rear diff. So now we're gonna just put this bolt as well loosely through this bracket and the bushing for the ladder bar, and then we use these blocks by just tapping them back, which is a rubber mallet, to force this right up tight against the frame so we can mark our 3 holes. So now I have a pilot drill bit. We're just gonna mark where these 3 holes have to be, drop the bar down, drill them out to a 1/2 inch, then we can put all the grade 8 hardware in to bolt that up solid.
Surprisingly, it's actually really comfy.
Oh, hey, that dented my rocker.
Did it?
Yeah. It's dented in here right now.
This is the point where we bolted in, if the bolts were lining up with the holes.
So, those just need a little bit of grease and the truck a nice wash. Truck's kind of dirty, so before we continue, let's wash it. First step is to rinse all the dust off from it sitting at the tuning shop. I can see the dirt just falling off, and this soap works really good. So I have my pliers, I have my medieval safety glove, that's chainmail, so we're gonna take the grill off the truck. Ow. Ta-da! I'm taking out the billet insert so we can see what it looks like without. We're gonna dechrome the grill. So step 1 is to degrease it. Step 2 is to dechrome it. Okay, we painted to green, so we're ready to put it on the truck. No, actually, we have some Performix multi-purpose rubber coating plasti dip, and we're gonna make it de-chrome for now. So while we wait for the first coat to dry on the grill, we're gonna prep these little chrome strips here so they look nice. Is that all you have to do?
Yeah.
That's pretty easy. This is coat number 3. Awesome. We just put our final coat on the grill. Now we gotta peel the tape before it dries. I'm gonna hold it straight up.
Yep.